Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I thought we would delve into an age-old question. Does our diet affect our skin? If you're new here, welcome to the Nail Coven and to Skincare Saturday, where we discuss skincare, self-care, and taking care of ourselves in general. Today I thought I would talk about how our diet affects our skin. You would think the answer was obvious. Now, let me just preface this with I'm not a doctor. No, I am a licensed esthetician in the state of California, and everything I will be saying here is pretty much my opinion. Okay? I'm not a doctor, a dietitian, so if you are dealing with some major skin issues, see a doctor before you do anything. Now, you would think the answer to does our diet affect our skin, you would think the answer was pretty obvious. In my opinion, the answer is yes. But you would be surprised about the things I still hear. I know someone personally who, growing up, had some skin issues, acne, and went to the doctor. They specifically asked the doctor, could it be something I'm eating? The doctor said absolutely not, that was a wives' tale, and then proceeded to recommend Accutane, which is a oral medication to treat acne. In some cases, medication may be the only resolution. To me, the side effects of a oral acne medication can outweigh the benefits of an oral acne medication. An acne medication can be, especially taken over long periods of time, can be extremely damaging to your liver. Now, in my own personal opinion, I would rather deal with acne issues than liver issues. We know that liver issues can severely affect the length of your life and the quality of your life. So we all know that food and water are the basic building blocks for our body to repair our bodies and create new cells, including any tissues in our body, like our skin. Now, our skin is nourished through our blood, through arteries and capillaries. In the blood are the nutrients that our skin and other parts of our bodies need to repair itself and just for basic daily functions. So if our blood is carrying vital nutrients to our skin, you want to make sure that whatever's in your blood is good for your skin and for your body in general. So if you're eating a lot of salt and saturated fats, a lot of things that are in fast foods or highly processed foods, that stuff is gonna be in your blood, and that stuff is gonna be carried to your skin in the blood through arteries and capillaries. So yes, in my opinion, your diet matters when it comes to the overall health clarity of your skin. Some of the best nutrients for our skin are antioxidants. Vitamin E is an example of an antioxidant and protects the tissues in our body like our skin. Vitamin C is another antioxidant and promotes collagen production in the dermal tissues. Another extremely important thing for our skin and our overall health is water intake. It helps eliminate toxins and waste that would otherwise manifest in our skin. So make sure that you are getting enough water, which is going to be different for everybody depending on their weight and their body mass index. And there are other YouTube channels or information online that can help you figure out how much water you need. In closing, basically, does your diet affect your skin? Yes, in my opinion. Overall, good, healthy habits that are good for our body in general are the same healthy habits that are going to be good for your skin and help it look beautiful and glowing, along with a at-home skincare regimen. The two together, you're going to look your best, feel your best, and get the best performance out of your body. So I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If it was, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of videos to make. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you'll know when I upload new videos. Because who wants to miss them? I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.